Hi guys, it's a bit cold today. The weather looks pretty ugly as you can see. But yeah, I'm out here and I'm gonna be helping my boyfriend fix his car, I think. Yeah, we're working on the hoodie.
The hoodie bonnet.
I mean the bonnet. The hoodie. What on earth did I just say? Yeah. So he's just... What are you doing right now, babe?
I'm taking off the bonnet.
What is it?
Taking the bonnet off.
He's taking off the bonnet. So what he's planning of doing is, you see how the bonnet is on an angle like that? Like that. Well, he's gonna make this thing here go straight up.
This is the stock
Yeah,
edition? Wait,
like this.
I'll give a demonstration.
Yes, he's gonna give a demonstration. And I'm gonna flip this thing around. So he's taken the bonnet apart, as you can see. Do you need a hand?
Whoa.
Seems it. So that's how high the bonnet is gonna go. He's gonna make it go straight up like that in a 90-degree angle. As you can see guys, I'm cleaning his car for him because it looks like dog shit. It's so dirty and dusty. So I'm just gonna put my, Billy Williams touch to this and make it all beautiful. Just just like me, right? You see this one has a lot cleaner already. All here and here. The big difference it is. How disgusting is it? Look at that. Look at that.
Alright. This is the modified hood hinge or bonnet hinge. And this is the stock standard hinge. As you can see, it's still stoppers to stop the hinge from basically going vertical like this. So how I modified the hinge is where the crease is, I have basically got a texter, marked out a square, and got rid of the metal, if you can see. So at the front and on this side, so it would pass, the crease would pass the actual crease, so it will allow it to go vertical like this. So now I'm gonna repeat the process on this bonnet hinge. So let's begin.
2 hours later.
So the tools needed to modify your bonnet hinges are a Dremel, a drill, center punch, both hinges, a cutting disc, a drill bit, a Dremel bit, and lucky last, don't forget the safety goggles.
24 hours later.
So I just marked out where I'm taking away material, that is the metal, in black. So over here, and on the other side is right here. As you can see, it's a black square. So I'm gonna be taking that off the hinges, and that's how it's going to be modified, and the end result should look like this, as you've seen before. So just gonna time lapse through it. So
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I've put everything back, so I'm going to give you the end result of the hinges. So here we go. So that's the end result. Let me know what you think, so drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Deuces.